Hello friends, my name is Rajesh. Today I will tell you. Now you are a beginner and you are thinking that I have to learn English. But I have no idea can I learn English or not, because many people speaks it is too hard, it is too difficult. But how can I learn English? Because their thinking is too hard. So my friends, first I want to tell you that if you want to learn English, then what you have to do? You should not attention towards them. But if you want to learn English, then first you have to start your journey. And you don't have to say that I have to learn English, but I will start my journey from tomorrow, because you should not forget tomorrow doesn't come. But after that, what you have to do when you are learning English, then you should not repeat like this mistake, like this fault, that now you start your journey from today, but 3 to 4 days you practice, you learn many things, but after 3 days 4 days you skip, and after 3 days you begin start your journey. Don't repeat like these things, because when you will if you want to learn English, then you have to maintain consistency. Okay, until you learn English, you should not skip, otherwise you cannot learn English. And many people ask me that if you want to learn English, then I think it is very difficult. I have no idea can I learn English or not. My friends, when I was beginner, then I had same questions. Can I learn English? Because I belong from Hindi medium, but now I have to learn English. So do you have this question, like this question? Then my friends, I want to tell you, if you want to achieve anything and you will take effort, then surely you can do this. But before doing anything, you want patience. Lack of patience, you cannot do anything. So like this English, if you wanted to learn English, then you have to give proper time and you have to maintain the consistency. You have to learn daily new words, and you should not skip in middle of the way, and you have to maintain the consistency. That definitely you can learn English. I want to suggest you that when I can speak English, when I was beginner, I was unable to speak in front of people, but now I can speak like this, my friends. You have to give time, you have to spend your time to learn English, and surely after some time you can improve your English language, you can learn English, because it is not too hard, it is only language. But what should we do? We have to practice regular, and we have to think positive. Okay, we have to change our thinking and thought. First time, we should not compare ourselves to another person, even if it is doesn't matter we speak right or wrong, but we have to speak. Okay. And some people say like this, that when I speak English, then people will judge me. My friends, if we are beginner, then we should not think like this, because first time whatever we will do, we will make mistake. But what we have to do, we have to learn from our mistake. Okay. So I want to suggest to you that now you are a beginner and you are thinking that I have to learn English, then my friends, you have to start your journey. Definitely you will learn English, no people can stop you. But before learning English, you want to patience, you have to change your thinking and thought. You have to decide that before learning English, you have to think your motive, your intent. What is my intent to learn English? Because when you will lose, then your intent, your motive will motivate you, and after that you will focus to learn English. And you don't have to think that first time whatever we will do, we will make mistake, we will think it is tough. But when we will spend our time more than more, after automatic all things will be easy for us. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to start your journey. It doesn't matter you are beginner or not, what is your level, it is doesn't matter, but only you have to commitment, and you have to decide, and you have to say I have to learn English, because it is the barrier of my journey, it is barrier of my career. Then if I have to remove this stumble from my life in front of me, then I will learn English. So my friends, when you will do this, then surely you can learn English, and after that you will be fluent in English. Okay. And if you want to like this video, and next day I will tell you that how can you practice by yourself. I will tell two application. Okay. If you wanted to watch this video, then you have to wait, and I will help you. And next day I will speak that how can you speak long time from one words. Okay. So that's, we will meet next session, and definitely you will learn many things from this video, and you will start your journey, and after that you will fulfill your desire. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video.